So as a part of our surveillance drive, our FDA team yesterday in Mapusa area, in Bharti's area, we had received a complaint, and recently because of all this surveillance, we've been receiving a lot of inputs from the public. So one such complaint was received that a product, that is dates, khajur, was packed with a feather, and the label declaration was only written as Karaswada Mapusa. So by tracking the person through the retail shop and the supplier, we went to this area in Kucheli, Ganesh Nagar, and there in one house there was a person packing this khajur in a very unhygienic condition. So we issued a stop notice to him, and we also seized around 300 kgs of khajur. And he's told us that it is being purchased from the yard. So we will be establishing the link, and we'll also be finding out the roots of how this dates has been arriving in the state of Goa. Also, we have closed around 3 street food vendors on the way who are operating without our FDA permission and without in unhygienic condition.
जे कार्य बरोबर आसा तुमचे वेगळे आमी एनफोर्समेंट ड्राइव आनी स्पेशल एनफोर्समेंट ड्राइव सुरू केल्ले दॅट इज समवेअर इन द मंथ ऑफ ऑगस्ट and सुरू केल्ले and it is not only in this part, it is like everywhere. Entire state of Goa we just tried to. It is a very successful step which we have taken. And ताच्या खातीर from 10 months back if we see and now there is lots of difference which we can see, and the public also is appreciating it.